Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about making a Faraday seal for your Faraday can. Yes, you can buy seals on the internet and you can also make your own. Today we're using 3/8 inch wide weather strip using Faraday Fabric tape, which is bought off Amazon. Roughly $20 for a 50-foot roll, and it's Faraday Fabric tape. And we're going to start off. We cut a small piece of the foam just for demonstration, small piece of tape, and this is what we're aiming for. We're going to take and make our own seal for the lip of our can. The first step will be removing the adhesive off and sticking it to each other. So we'll pause the video while we start this. So what I've done was I've peeled back part of the adhesive tape that's on the fabric, and we will be placing our seal material on its sides so we can fold. So the next step, I'll be setting the foam up ready to make the adhesive. So as you see, I've now placed the foam onto the tape, and the next process will be folding it over to create connection on all sides. So let's pause the video while I fold over. So we've now folded over several times, leaving just a little bit of tape exposed. Being that we've rolled it, we've created a conductive seal. So all four sides of the Faraday tape are touching. This now gives us a compression seal. Here is a can already done, and the way we did this was we took and put the insulation onto the edge and taped it on around. Now, once we did that, we used another portion of the tape and overlapped it to seal the lid. So when we push the lid down, we're getting a compression gap seal. So any gaps that would be in the lid have now been absorbed and taken up by the gasket material. Simple, easy, do-it-yourself Faraday seal. And this is a can we're using. As you can see, we've sealed up the seams and anywhere that there could have been light leakage. Check out our full video on the Faraday Can project. Thanks. Remember, share and like.